So what are the top 3 reasons to choose an Evoplus circulator in a closed loop? Okay, so let's start talking about the closed loop, because we know that circulators are pumps designed to work in a closed circuit, because the pressure that they give to the water is not pressure for booster application or to pressurize the water. It's just to maintain the pressure in a circuit where there is a heat exchange. Evoplus is actually a very good pump for that duty. And as I said before, the top 3 reasons would be, first of all, energy saving, because it comes from a high and sophisticated technology that is inside the pump, permanent magnetic motor, well-designed impeller, variable frequency driver with map of behavior. They know how to drive the motor accordingly to the performance that are required to the pumps. So the combination of all of these engineered detail makes the pump quite very efficient. According to the European regulation, the pump must have a minimum energy efficiency index, and Evoplus is far away below this limit. That means the power consumption of this pump is lower than what is actually demanded in the market. Why energy saving is so important in such a small pump? Like this Evoplus would be like a 0.50 watt, just a 50 watt pump. Why so? For such a low energy, it's important to be energy saving. It is because these pumps are usually asked to work 24 hours out of 24. They are continuously running because, as we said before, they work in circuit for heat exchanger, probably for some application like cooling, heating, where you can actually never stop the pump to work. So even a slight difference in energy consumption can make a very big difference at the end of the year in the power consumption, in the cost that you spend in energy. So energy saving, first advantage of Evoplus. The second advantage is the flexibility. So the ability of this pump to adapt to different working conditions. We have seen before that we can choose different curve of behavior. I repeat to you, we have the constant pressure, we have the proportional pressure, or we have the proportional speed. So all of these 3 curves adapt to different type of layout and different type of circuit. And the fact that you can choose makes the pump always to find the best efficiency point in any duty that is demanded to the pump. So flexibility is very important, not only for us to reach the highest efficiency, but also for the user that can get the maximum comfort out of his application. So no more complaints about the water is too hot, here is getting too hot too quickly, too cold too slowly, whatever it is. Yeah, so that's the second advantage. And as a third advantage, I would say reliability, trustability, and easiness of use. Actually, this pump has a failure rate that is very low. It is a pump that is solid in the market since many years, so it's easy to use. So all the installers that have dealt with this pump, they have a good, let's say, installation experience. Especially from the keyboard that we have here, there are 4 simple buttons. You can move across the menu, you can set the set point, you can choose your curve, little other parameters to be fixed, and then the pump is ready to go. So that makes your experience easy for the installer, but also for the customer in case there is some setting to apply or some tuning to do on the system just after. I would say these are the 3 main advantages of Evoplus: energy saving, flexibility, and easiness of installation, easiness of use.